Countryside all day. Yes, people. But they have to bring in some news. It's good and it's bad. It's good in the sense that development is happening in Jamaica and many people going to be employed. But it's bad that Jamaica don't control it, own it, or any of that. And taxes is going to be risen. They're going to rise taxes in Jamaica again to pay back some projects they will never finish paying for. Funded mainly by the US government. It's about 12 major projects going on right now, but me only going to touch base on 2, which is the new cyber city that I plan to build in Kingston, Jamaica. This new cyber city is going to be like no other in the Caribbean, or nothing like it in the southern parts of the United States. And they're building it here in Jamaica and in Kingston. Many of us believe this is a great thing. It's great in terms of, you know, jobs and them thing there. But remember, I tell you what will come behind that. You're not going to believe me if I tell you no. Remember about 2 years, 3 years ago, I talk about one ID thing. I know people say, oh, the mark of the beast and them sitting there. Yo, we not stop where I come, man. We can't stop where I come. Remember me tell you, this is part of that phase. Then they introduce it to it to see a reaction. And will it kind of give a resistance. But then they bring in COVID. And we are blind. We are blind by it. We follow everything what them tell us to do. Almost everything what them tell us to do. Them are bringing the new thing, man, and this is going to be part of it. Them also, me say 2 minutes ago touch upon it, but actually 3. Them are run some fiber optic lines from Ocho Rios here to go to Florida, to do some type of IT connection and claim say a job them are try to bring down Jamaica. We are no fool. We are no fool. No can't come trick we. I mean, know so many Jamaicans go say, yeah man, a jobs and this and that and ray. Yeah man, but everything good. You have the Chinese that take over with hotel. You have the Chinese that take over with food industry. Everything what you can think about in terms of them, the type of sitting there. One of the things, things that the Chinese that take over Jamaica, no. Them only play a small role. We still underneath the British and the US rule. Remember me tell you, every major thing where you see are going on Jamaica behind it. They're also building a new national stadium funded by the US. They're going to improve, they're going to renovate the old national stadium, and they're going to build a new high technology stadium funded by the US. These are only things to keep us in debt to them. So you see, when them need more soldiers to go to war, to go fight, guess who pity them going to call upon? Yeah man, phone or pitney, fill with pitney. Them going to call upon them. You see, when anything, them need a vote, in the seat, in any type of UN voting system. And them need like I want more see Jamaica, you better go vote for it. And you see, when we have put up a look of resistance against LGBT, all these things is part of the plan. You understand me? I say, when you see Prime Minister Andrew go up on TV and talk about him and support LGBT and them foolishness there, this was all part of the plan. If him can't go up on TV and say in country, do this, we are going to do this for UNO. But when we are doing this for UNO, we are going to bind UNO to it forever. These are the things where we are faced with Jamaican people. And we still come down on weekend and holiday a show up on one another. For our main priority is to build a house. Nothing is wrong with that. But we need to stop thinking about other things that can affect us as a people. Because anyhow we not do it, them can't wipe it with this push of a button. Them can't shut down the country with this push of a button. And we're not going to be able to do a damn thing about it. If them do it now, we're done. But at least you have someone like me I bring it to no attention. We have to wake up, me I tell you no. We have to wake up. Because for the government is not for us. I know people are telling me, say, watch your ass pan them sitting here. Me not watch it. Because guess what? Me rather dead. Me rather dead. I know say me I try to wake up some people than to be alive and under for them thumb when them ready to put me under them thumb. Man, we better wake up here, man. Me I tell you no. Yo, this thing is a joke thing, you know. I mean, about 12 new major projects are going on in Jamaica, and Jamaica don't have nothing to do with them. Nothing. Never bring it to me. Never bring it no more as me make more video. Me promise you no. But you know, have to wake up. We have to wake up as a people. And you see this new cyber thing what I tell about? You remember me I talk about tokenization? They might go use them new cyber city to implement this. We as a people can't do it long and position ourselves. So we can benefit our fight instead of the US and other big country. They might go come with it, you know. Remember me telling you? Tokenization. I'm going to talk more about that too. One love. If you don't like, share and subscribe. Countryside all day long.